Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tesla Full Self-Driving. First, ensure your vehicle's software is completely up to date for the best experience. Before engaging, always understand that FSD requires your full attention. You are responsible for the vehicle. To activate, simply pull the gear stalk down twice when it's safe to do so. Remember, FSD is a driver assist system, not a fully autonomous one. Once FSD is active, you'll see the driving visualization on your screen, showing the car's perception of its surroundings. The system will navigate based on your set destination. To request a lane change, simply tap the turn signal in the desired direction. FSD will then assess the situation and execute the maneuver when it's safe. Always keep your hands on the wheel and be ready to intervene. FSD is designed to manage more intricate driving scenarios, including navigating complex intersections, making turns, and even handling roundabouts. It will proactively suggest and execute lane changes to follow your route efficiently. While the system is highly capable, it's crucial to remain vigilant. Unexpected road conditions or sudden changes in traffic may require your immediate input. Always prioritize safety and be ready to take over. For optimal safety, always keep your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road, even when FSD is active. Regular maintenance, like cleaning your vehicle's cameras and sensors, ensures the system has clear visibility. This helps FSD perform at its best. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your home cleaning routine with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.